Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka number 30. He sees who sees that all actions are performed by Prakriti alone and that the self is actionless.
प्रकृत्यैव च कर्माणि क्रियमाणानि सर्वशः यः पश्यति तथात्मानम् अकर्तारं स पश्यति.
Chapter 13, Shloka 30. Individuals act differently and therefore the Parameshwara playing behind each individual must be a separate self. To contradict this concept of plurality in the self, it is said an individual is constituted of matter and the self, and the relationship between the two is of superimposition. Matter is the equipment that orders the types of action that should manifest. In the presence of the self, the equipments function like different cars of different horsepowers and models function with the same petrol. Different types of electrical equipment function due to the same electricity. The self is all-pervading, perfect, and as such there is no desire in it. All actions are due to the desires entertained by the intellect. This takes place in matter alone, and where desires have ended, actions are impossible. This in the presence of the spirit, the equipments, Prakriti, function, and the self, Atma, functioning in the field called the knower of the field, Purusha, acts in the world outside. When the knower of the field leaves the field, there is no more activity in the field, nor there is any activity for the self itself. He who is capable of recognizing how his own vehicle function and realize the self in him is ever actionless, is alone the right perceiver who is recognizing and experiencing the imperishable amidst the perishable. He sees who sees. The manifestations of individuals are different from person to person because of the differences in the composition and makeup of the various equipments, upadhis, and when they are destroyed, all differences merge to express the one infinite experience, the Supreme Lord. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.